Okay. Well, here we are, out in the beautiful natures. It's difficult to find a position to make a video when I'm using a vintage lens that has a very far focal length, so hopefully the sound is adequate because I'm about 8 feet away, and also hopefully that the picture is clear enough. You hear that? That sounds like a bunch of baby birds getting fed. Now, I don't know if those are geese, I don't know if those are blue jays, whatnot. This is a breeding ground area for geese. There is just crap all over on the other side. I mean, super thick. And this is a small island in the middle of Rimrock Lake where most people don't come because the road that winds around goes way behind over there on the other side of the hill. And so this area is pretty much isolated. I cruised across on the canoe and oh, I can see them. They're so cute. They're so cute. Little baby birds. Anyway, I'd like to go over and film the wildlife, but I'm here to talk about isolation. Getting to a place where people don't visit very often is something that is just so damn rewarding. I mean, I love a good campground with a nice view of a lake and everything else, but the reason why I've always gone to isolated spots to go camping and hiking is because I like that idea that nobody's been there in a while. Even this morning when I walked along the stream bed over there in the sand, I didn't see any footprints except for our own from the day before, and some new ones from an elk or a large deer. And I think, you know, those are the moments that I live for, finding an isolated spot where people are not at. And not a lot of people, I should say not everyone can really have the same reverence and respect and love for being in the middle of nowhere. And I can understand that. Even though I'm not in the middle of nowhere right now, because that's the compromise that we made. In order to stay at a large, beautiful lake, you're going to have to hear a wave runner in the background. But it's a chance I'm willing to take because, or a dog barking, or a generator going, or anything else. But just to get out and experience a little bit of quiet for even a period, you know? I don't know. That's my ramble for the day. I'm out. Peace out.